guys, today magluluto tayo maiden. Ayun siya. Pero babalik ko ulit siya sa first. Narinig ba sinasabi ko?
Tsunamis are just water, right? If it comes down to it, TNT isn't obviously strong.
A giant tsunami is heading this way.
What should we do?
Higa lang ako sa, baba niya.
Got it.
Ano ba naman ayos?
Okay, I'll set up my security first. I definitely want to protect my
What kind of security are you gonna make?
Naganan ko kamay ko.
I'll use this first.
Naganan ko.
TNT.
Oh, TNT!
Wait lang guys.
I'm gonna build a TNT launcher right now.
The TNT launcher?
I'll use the TNT's explosions to push the tsunami back.
Oh,
TNT is so overwhelmingly powerful that it should be able to push back the tsunami.
whoa.
This is going to turn out to be incredible. Alright, I'll put a button here
Lagay ko muna sila.
and hook it all up with redstone circuit. Okay. And now I'll fill these dispensers with lots of TNT.
Nice.
Alright.
So this is the security you thought of.
It's gonna be amazing. The tsunami should be taken with this. Alright. Next, change out the Okay. Now to add the water. And then I'll use a repeater. And a switch.
Oh,
Alright.
Lucky's TNT launcher.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah,
I can easily handle a tsunami with this.
you really thought this through. But this TNT launcher can only launch one shot at a time, right? Won't you need more firepower to force back a tsunami?
What are you talking about, JJ? It'll be fine.
So guys, ayan na natin kay tatapusin. Ako na naman ako. So gagawa na din akong part 2. Bye guys!
I guess